Hi, I'm Maria Del Rosario, and we're here at Baldwin Park at my home. We wanted to renovate the house is mainly for energy saving and to help us reduce the cost of our electric bills. I found the inner city Skyline through my husband. He's the one that had a contact with them through another referral from a friend. The meeting with the inner city Skyline, we're very happy with Sam who came in the house. He gave us ideas on how to save energy and what program that's needed in order to be qualified. So we got qualified, and initially it was from the roof, and then we danced with the skylight, and then we end up with the solar. So it was a big job. The job was done in a matter of a couple of months because it was around winter time when they did it. So depending on the weather, they managed to finish the roof on time. They managed to put the skylight on time, and then the windows and doors, and then the patio, and then the last is the solar. I recommend Inner City Skyline because they do the job within the time frame and also within the inspection. They pass all the inspection, and it was just I really enjoyed the work. I liked the work that they did. Inner City Skyline, thank you for all the wonderful job you did in our house, and the contractors that came to the house, they're very impressionable, and all the patient that you had with us, and at the same time, thank you for the people that works for you, the accounting, and a couple of people that we met. Thank you.